everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me again, and today I will take you to try one special dish in Hoi An, Cao Lau. And you can see so many people selling Cao Lau everywhere in Hoi An, in the market, street vendor, restaurant. But I will choose the most famous place in Hoi An to show you the Cao Lau. And also I will try it and tell you how it tastes as well. You ready? Let's go! So finally, I am here at the restaurant. There are so many places, but I choose this place because you know what? This restaurant is 150 years old. Can you imagine? Really old ancient. So it's located right in the center of the old town, and you can see the architecture of the house is ancient and it's very old. And the name of this restaurant is Trung Bắc. It literally means central and the north. So the grandpa of this restaurant is from the north, and he met his wife who is from the Hoi An, and they together set up this restaurant like 150 years ago. So that's why there's a name Trung Bắc, right? They have so many dishes, like they have Cao Lau, wonton, white rolls, spring rolls, but I'm gonna choose Cao Lau because it's this very special dish that you only can find in Hoi An, right? So, ta-da-da! Here's a bowl of Cao Lau. The noodle is really chewy. If you ever try mee Quảng or phở, you can see the noodle is much more soft. And I will try the soup, the broth, to see how it tastes. It's really sweet, but natural sweet, not like MSG or anything. And it tastes from soya sauce, because I guess they got from the broth of when they cook the sasiu pork, which is the main ingredient of this, is soya sauce, so that's why you can feel that. It's very good. You can try to find so many different places that serve Cao Lau, but I think the different things, the things that make every shop, every restaurant different is the broth, the soup. And so I think this place have a very good soup. So many of my friends who come from other places like Da Nang, Hanoi have been here before and tried not this restaurant but in Hoi An and tried Cao Lau, and they all said that Cao Lau is not something that wow you when you try it. It's not something gonna surprise you and then make you like super excited, but it has something very charming. And slowly, if you eat it 1, 2 times, 3 times, next time if you go back to Hoi An, you definitely gonna try it. Woo. As you can see, I just finished a bowl of Cao Lau and I had lunch 1 hour ago, so it is very good. The Cao Lau is good, the restaurant is nice, and it's located right in the center of the old town, so it's very easy for you to just pass by and have dinner or lunch. The price of this Cao Lau is 30,000 dong. You have different prices for pork, chicken and stuff, but they have a menu and you can choose. But now you can try Cao Lau in the central market, Hoi An Central Market, for 20,000 dong. But I tried both and I think both of them are good. In the restaurant are good, in the market are good. So if you guys come to Hoi An, please tell me which one you prefer. So yes, my video here is finished, and if you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to do other video about Hoi An, please comment below and let me know. And